Yes, it's been another week on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of what I've learned in this last week since being on YouTube, creating a channel and creating videos, in the hopes that it'll help you on your journey. Hi, my name is Melissa. I am a professional photographer, and on this channel, we break down ideas and concepts for photography and teach the beginner photographer how to master their camera. Okay, let's get right into it. And I'm going to show you the behind the scenes on my video channel in my analytics. So in the last week, as you can see, over this select period, my channel got 341 views. Yay! I'm quite chuffed with that, just saying. It's had a watch time of 12.0 and I have gained 5 new subscribers. Thank you to those 5 wonderful people that have continued or thought that the channel was worthy of being a follow and subscribing to it. Really do appreciate, and it's so good to have you here. Okay, let's have a look at the content. In particular, we're looking at the videos because, like I said, I've gone away from creating shorts more to videos. So in the last week, I have had 306 views on my videos. I have had 5.6k impressions, 4.1 click-through rate, which is actually pretty good because it was lower than that. I think it was around about the 3.2 last week, and an average view duration of 2 minutes and 14 seconds. I consider that a win. I do, and I'll tell you why. Because when I started, I was only getting people to watch my videos for 30 seconds at a max and then clicking straight off or swiping straight away. So the fact that they're sticking around and they're staying there for longer, to me, is a win. Now, my 3 top things that I have learned this week from doing my YouTube channel is the first one, talking on camera. Now, I'm a photographer. I have a camera in my hand most regularly, almost every day. But I am still not comfortable or confident talking in front of a camera. But I am getting better. And that is because I am doing it. I am setting my camera up, I am plugging in the mics, and I am just pressing record. I think it's as Think Media says, you just gotta press record. So that is what I'm doing. And in that process, I found that I still don't like the sound of my voice, but I am finding my own groove when it comes to talking into the camera and not feeling so, staunch or not being myself on the camera, which I think was why, if you look back in my previous videos, I am sweating a lot. And that is because I'm putting unnecessary pressure on myself when I'm in front of the camera. So doing it on a consistency, regular basis is definitely helping in that. Now, on the topic of consistency, yes, consistency, or to put videos up consistently on YouTube, is hard. It is difficult. I know this, particularly if you're working full-time or you're managing a business, as I do, in both. But you have to do it. You really do. You do have to have a consistency with your YouTube channel for 2 reasons. One, it helps you to grow and to know things about yourself. And 2, it also lets your subscribers or the people that are out there watching and looking for your videos know when you're actually going to be on YouTube, so that they can go in and remember to, like or follow your stuff, so they can come back and have a look at it. So consistency, yes, although it is hard, and I know it because having to come up with a concept idea and then develop a thumbnail and then do the script and the outline and all that type of stuff, that is hard. But it has to be done. And the way that I do mine, I do all of my developmental and idea concepts throughout the week, so that I know I have an idea of the video that I want to do. I do all the research for that. Then I create the thumbnail. Then I don't write out my script word for word. I usually do it in dot points, so I have it there. And then on one day, pardon me, so sorry for that. On the one day on the weekend, which is usually the Saturday, I will sit down and I will batch record my videos and have them uploaded on YouTube and scheduled to go when I want them to go. That is how I track and maintain my consistency for YouTube. The third thing is researching before I record. I used to just think that, oh, this is something that my subscribers or the people out there in YouTube will want to know about. So I was just taking a guess, essentially. I wasn't doing anything as far as researching to see if there was something that they were interested in. So as of this week, I started to really hone in on the research, like going in and seeing what type of videos are actually popular in my niche, in my genre. My niche is photography. My genre is helping beginner photographers. And then I looked at, okay, well, what made those videos so, like, get so many views or get so many likes? And then I thought, okay, is that still relevant for my person that I'm trying to connect with? And if so, how can I then go and recreate it for my audience in my way? Yeah. So I've done all of that this week, and as you can see from these analytics, which compared to last week has significantly increased in the average view duration time, as well as the impressions and, you know, the 5 subscribers that I got. So I think that's a pretty great learning curve for me, and something that I will definitely continue to do going forward for my YouTube videos and for my YouTube channel, because by doing all of this, my content is getting better and better and better, which means that I am providing you, my person, much better content that you actually want to watch. And that is the ultimate goal for this channel, to create a community of photographers who are on their journey to becoming incredible photographers and creating some beautiful, beautiful magic. Okay, friend. Anyway, you go and have a beautiful, fantastic day, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye.